Happy Guru Purnima. Those whose ideas I have just taken within the session, have they completed their entire work, like making the app or building the website?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so those who have completed, can you please share the screen one by one?
Sir, can I send the link or?
Okay, sure, you can share the link.
Sir, I have not made a full app. I have made just prototype website.
Okay, so you are working on making the entire website or app.
No, sir.
I believe I have shared you that entire prompt which you can give, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can simply give it to a respective tool like Replit, and then you can build that completely. I believe there are only few days left for everyone to finish up their work.
Sir, I made two things like an app prototype and one website prototype.
Okay, you have done that prototype.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can share it, or you can share your screen and show everyone.
Sir, the share option is not enabling. Like, if I press the button, it is not sharing the screen.
Just a moment. You can ask for the request then. When you click on share screen, just click on the request option.
Sir, there is only cancel option. There is no request.
Then share the link of the app.
Sir, the link is only for the website and not for the app. I will share it.
Okay, till then, Anshi, you have completed the work. You have built some app or website, Anshi.
Yes, I have, but with sample data, because it said that it would need API keys to generate real data from the actual price from the websites and all.
Okay, so you have not used any of the API keys.
I used for weather. And for government schemes. So I'm trying to use it for prices too, for the crop prices and all.
Okay, and what about the other options that were in the app?
Uh, yeah, for that the sample data is only there.
I'll just give you some of the API keys that you can use.
Okay.
Mostly they are free. You have used the API for weather?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that one you have. I'm sharing a link with you, just a moment. You can go through this particular link and you will be able to find the API keys.
Sir, I have sent the both the URL.
If you are using Lovable, you have not published it yet. It says that this app isn't live.
Sir, I have published that and it opens in my laptop if I search it.
On your laptop, it will definitely work. But you need to. Is there any option on Lovable like publish or something? Any similar option? You please check for that publish option. What about others who have not given their ideas yet? Riyansh Kumar. Riyansh Kumar. Am I audible? Hello.
Sir, it says the website is published.
Just a moment. Riyansh Kumar,
Yes, sir.
you have not given any idea of yours yet.
Sir, I've given the driver drowsiness detection system, sir.
You remember I told you that it's already out there. You need to think of some more unique ideas. So you want to work on this drowsiness. Do you want to work on the same idea?
Sir, I'm not sure.
Please unmute.
Sir, I can think of a new idea, sir. Also,
Okay. What about Arva? 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 Yes, Parth.
Sir, yesterday I pitched the idea of AI natural calamity simulator, but it is not tested. Uh, Sir, am I audible now?
Yes, you are audible, but I didn't get you. Can you please repeat it again?
Sir, yesterday I pitched an idea of the AI's natural calamity simulator, but you did not like test it, and I
Can
also
you
didn't test.
you
Sir,
elaborate
may I
it a bit more?
it in? Yes, sir.
Can you elaborate it a bit more?
The project, sir, it's basically a project that will help people survive natural calamities like floods and earthquake by imagining the worst possible scenario, because that is where we'll get the most out of its practical benefits.
Okay, got it. But see, like again, the like my question was how you will be able to know that this is going to happen, so that a lot of lives will be saved.
Sir, we
There,
can use detection tools like seismographs or flood detection tools, which will help us detect these things, and we can also help find basic commodities like water and food if like we are stuck somewhere where we don't have a drought has struck, and it
then
will
you
be
have to
done.
make it a combination of hardware and software, where hardware like part of your project will be able to get all the parameters required,
No, sir, it
and
could be used with other softwares as well, like
what are yeah,
we have a seismograph. It detects earthquakes, so sir, we can install the app in those devices without our convenience, because government also provides these devices nowadays in many states of India.
but there is I think there is not any app that can check the earthquake or
No, sir, that's what I am trying to elaborate. That's what I am going to make.
but for that like you need not other parameters, like your main aim is to prevent the disaster, right? Or your
Yes, sir.
only that is what, and disaster can be anything. It can be volcanic eruption, it can be floods, it can be earthquakes, it can be tsunami, or let's say cyclones. These all can be the disasters. Now
Sir,
let's say
many,
out of
sir,
let's say
many
out
natural
of yes, go on.
Sir, many natural calamities like floods, drought, cyclone, etc., and also some hypothetical situations which may occur, and when they occur, they are very fatal. For example, if somebody is stuck in a jungle, or like somebody is lost in a desert, these situations are also there in that AI, and they are made by imagining the worst situations, so that people can withstand the if there is a they can get the most out of the AI.
But that is my point. Like how that AI will be able to get the parameters? You have to make the hardware then. Let's say someone is in the
No, sir.
forest and there is.
It's a digital environment which will be generated by a code. And sir, may I elaborate with an example?
Yes, yes, please.
Sir, for example, if somebody is stuck in a like desert or a jungle, then the AI will imagine worst situations like like he does not have somebody does not have water to drink, and like he's hunted or some very worst of the worst situations it will imagine.
It will just tell others that there is a person who is in trouble.
Sir, it is done when somebody is not in any trouble. It is like it's a preparation to withstand trouble and like all those.
I honestly like I'm not able to get it well. Like see, let's say there is a person who is in the desert or forest, and there is
Yes.
some like disaster that is just coming towards that forest or desert. Now, who will save that particular person?
Sir, if let me be clear, it's not any like it will not predict the disaster which will occur. It is just a AI model which will train when somebody is not in danger, he is comfortable living uh, at home, and he's not in any danger. It will just be a preparation for the test.
Okay, okay.
It's not, how will the AI know?
I understood it now.
Yes, sir.
So you want to put a person in hypothetical situation that if something happens, how they can come out from that.
Yes, sir, because these situations could be very dangerous if they occur, and they are not that much of a hypothetical situation.
Okay, understood, understood. Let me test it just a moment. Let me share my screen.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, sorry for interrupting, but it is like a virtual reality AI model. It makes virtual reality, and it like generates it based on the natural calamities.
Yes, yes, I get it. I get it completely now. It's a good idea, though. Yeah, I believe there should be an automatic way of responding. Like rather than a person saying that whether I need a help or not, there should be kind of a timer over here, like 10 seconds timer. If a person does not click on that timer, then automatic call should get forwarded to either counselor or parents. And if a person click on that, then no call should be there. That should happen over here. Let's say if I need help, I will just skip this part rather than clicking on any of the option. And this is nice that you have provided these numbers over here. This is good. But rather than me selecting these options, it should be automatic. You are getting my point.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
I wanted to develop it more, but lovable, like I'm using it for free, so it stopped right now here.
Okay, okay. But overall, this is fine. You can showcase this as well. Then you explain it over there, like in a detail, like what exactly you intend to do more.
Sir, I have made a project synopsis.
Sorry,
Project synopsis.
you have made project synopsis.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's good overall. It's nice, nice.
And some another one is app that's bit different from it because I have used the previous prompt that I made from Gemini.
Uh, See, whenever you work with any app development, first come to ChatGPT and write this. Like, let's say this is the project. One of the project is this. Okay, I have written over here that I just want. Let me scroll down. I have written over here, give me the MPV. First, you make ChatGPT to explain your project. Okay. Once it will explain, just say that I want MVP. Okay. Once it gives you MVP, copy that, paste that in the Replit or Lovable so that it can provide you the app or website or emergent is there. Or I told you there is one more anti-gravity. You can use that as well. You
Yes,
don't
sir.
have to explain rather than like use multiple tools. That will be better. Just simply write, provide me the MP for my idea, and whatever it will give, copy entire thing, paste it in some other app.
Sir, Gemini gave me an PDF and I pasted it in Replit, and that made an app.
This is for Parth as well. You do something similar, okay? Just explain in Chat GPT a little bit of your idea. It will explain the idea, and then the next you type is that give me the MVP. And whatever it will give you, copy that into the respective AI tool, and it will be fine. Okay, it will create everything on its own then.
Sir, which AI tool?
First, you have to come to Chat GPT, okay?
Yes, sir.
In Chat GPT, you just write something what I have done. Like, let me show you.
We have to make the MVP of the project.
You have to write that, provide me the MVP. For example, like I have just mentioned this AI app to create a situation to help person. So it does it, right? Then I told it, now give me the MVP of this particular idea. So it will give me the MVP, okay, about my product. Whatever it gives me, copy that and then paste it in some other AI tool. Like there is Replit, Lovable, Anti-Gravity, Emergent. Okay, just paste this MVP which you got from ChatGPT into those tools. It gives much better results rather than if you simply go to some other tool and just simply type that I want an app which can do this, which has this features. So it's better to just get MVP first. Yes,
Sir, is there any AI app that will help me publish my app which I have created using that AI for free?
you can if you want. I believe Replit has that publish option. Emergent has the publish
No,
option.
sir, no, sir, but they are paid. Any free app?
No, you can use them one time na, and you can publish them. So you
Okay,
have to
sir.
make the app one time, right? Or you can, if you already have used those apps and the credit is all exhausted, then you can simply do one thing. You can log in from another email ID, maybe your parents' email address. If you have, you can log in from that and create a new account so that there will be new stuff. That way, you can use a particular app multiple times. Whatever first, let's say you are using Lovable, it gave you an app. Copy the entire outcome, paste it in a new login of the Lovable, and make some bit of changes over there. Something like this you can try. You getting my point?
Yes, sir.
That you can try. So you can create something like this, okay? You can proceed. If you have any doubts, you let me know. I'll just move ahead with Riyansh Agarwal.
Yes, sir.
You have completed your, I believe you might have already done everything.
Sir, just I just added the API key. However, I do have a more app ready already.
Okay, your idea was that the similar connection stuff, right?
Yes, yes,
You have created any app or like, or not
yes,
yet?
sir. I have.
Can you please share that? Is it like in the working condition or still in the progress?
It is a preview right now, but because I needed to add the API key for the AI features, but right now I can show you with the mod data.
Hey, you can please share your screen.
Yes.
Which API key you need?
Sir, I'm using the OpenAI API key that is free.
Okay, okay, okay. You know GitHub?
Yes, sir.
There are a lot of repositories in the GitHub where people have you like posted a lot of API keys that you can use for free. You simply
Yes,
go to,
sir. I know.
you can try that as well. There can be some tool which might be more powerful. You can try that. Okay, you
Okay,
scroll.
sir. If that doesn't work, then I'll try the GitHub one.
Yes. Okay,
So,
scroll down.
sir, this is just the front page, so I can click on get started. This is
Okay.
the features page. If you see that, So first of all, it shows why this project is actually good. So this is basically meant for schools, so that they can implement it. So this is why this project is good. That is why I made this page for C features. Now I'll show you the main app. So first right now the login is not working. Like this is just a mod version.
Okay.
So now this is the home page. So first of all, the first thing is the suggestions that this is the stuff that you should do for first of all. So for example, there's the robotics competition. Its registration goes in 5 days. There's a reading club meeting, and there are a few students that share your interest. And then there is an AI project recommendation, what project you can build to improve your skills. This is a growth snapshot. This is just right now a very basic version, and in the Discover tab you can see more. So now if I go to the Discover tab, so now this is a more detailed version of everything. These are the competitions that the AI can recommend. So based on your skills, so robotics, math, Olympiad, etc., etc. And these are some learning resources. For example, there's a board course and there's a video. This will show you how to enhance your skills. And these are some project ideas that you can make. This is for the student right now for to
There,
improve
there
their skills.
there should be a feature like usually some students are like to get the better marks they kind of do the group study, something like that. So there should be like maybe you can add that okay,
Yes,
like let's say there are some board exams coming, so kind of like if anyone is interested for the group study, that like now overall you are just making a community of all. So if you can add that option as well in the same, maybe just like there is learning resources or mini project, just below it you can mention regarding the school or the board exam if you need someone for group
yes,
study,
sir. Yes, that's a good idea.
that you can add up.
So this is the one of the main things is the communities. So now you can start a club on your own, then it will ask the teacher for permission, and these are the clubs that you have joined, and a few that you can join based on your interest. It recommends everything. These are already created clubs, and you can also create a club using AI. If for a subject that hasn't have that doesn't have a club created already. So now this has some of the basic information, and this
Just
is the portfolio.
can you go back to communities? Like
Yes,
it's a
sir.
suggestion here, like if you wish to edit that, when let's say you join the robotic club and now you have maybe a meeting. Okay, now kind of what is the outcome from that? Maybe if there is any student who is not able to attend only that specific meeting due to some reasons. So maybe you can add a bit of summary that in today's session what was being told, so that the student can get the basic information and prepare for the next meeting that will be there. Kind of
Yes,
like
sir.
that.
Yes, sir. Next thing, this is the portfolio. Now right now, I don't have it implemented right now, but you can add certificates, projects, your GitHub repository, your photos and videos, of course, of your projects. And then these are some projects that you have done. And AI shows what you learned from that.
I just have one question. Like, is your school like more into these stuff? Like, do they promote like or push students to go into innovations and all that stuff?
Not really, but this is just hard coded right now. This was based on my interest. So now this can be anything based on the students' interest, what they have uploaded. This is
No,
just a portfolio.
no. Yes, yes. I'm just saying overall, like, is your school like kind of pushing students to do something regarding the research and innovations?
Yes, a little bit. There are some competitions, and they do a lot of competitions regarding innovations.
Is this in school?
No, no, this is not school based. This is for this only.
You can try, like, I believe you are using the Lovable for this. So at one point, you cannot do more edits, right?
Yes, sir.
And you have to go for the paid version of that. So maybe if your principal or the head allows you, like, they give some rewards as well, right?
Yes, sir. I could ask. They would be fine about it.
You can give it a try. If you have to go to school tomorrow, you can just pitch this to the whoever is head of this robotic or research innovation, or the principal. You can just pitch the and show him that, or her, I have made all this stuff, but to make it further improvable, I need some funds.
Yes, sir.
You
Okay.
can try.
So this is the section for AI tools. Right now, obviously, AI is not implemented, but these are some questions that you can ask right now, and it can ask you anything, and it will give you suggestions as to what you should do based on the question that you ask. This is I need to implement this, and then there is the monthly reflection. So you do this every month, and so these are the questions that I chose. What did you enjoy learning? What challenged you the most? What achievement are you proud of? And what do you want to learn next? Then it generates the growth report, and then all the students can see that. The AI generates the growth report.
Right.
And finally, this is just another version of the profile. Now you can change your name and everything. And this is for the students and for the students to see. This is the main thing based on where the AI gets the data. So that this is just normal thing like no, name and rate, and now you can add your interest, and you can add interests that are not mentioned also over here. And then for all those interests, you can for all those skills and all those interests, you can add how good are you at it. And then obviously that then these are achievements that you have, same certificates, presentations, etc. And these are the roles that you have as well.
Yes.
So that was basically the app. Um, I need to add the AI to it right now. I have asked Lovable to do that, and I also have made a Replit app. But right now it requires it is obviously free. I have a free version, so it requires some more prompts to make it right now.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, you can work on it for that AI AP. You can use that GitHub repositories if you want to.
Yes,
Else, you have free version. You can use that one as also.
yes, sir.
Perfect. It's nice. It's nice. Just give me a moment. We'll move ahead, but we'll just take break for some time. At 6:55 p.m. we will meet again, and we will just move ahead with Sri Ranga and Vedika. Let's take break of 10 minutes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay, so let's move ahead with okay, Sriranga.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have completed any work?
Yes, sir. I have almost completed, sir. I have done most of the hardware, sir. One of the sensors alone is a little bit faulty, so I have to replace that bit alone, sir.
How you made hardware?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have you like in hardware, I've integrated a little bit of software, sir. It'll get the values from the hardware and then it'll upload that to an AI model and then it'll get the output, sir, like that.
You were having the two ideas, one completely software, one hardware.
Yes, sir.
So you just combined it together now.
Yes, sir.
But where you will get the hardware from?
Sir, I have the hardware, sir. I have it.
You have the required sensors.
Sir?
You have the required sensors like the
Yes, sir.
pH.
I have the required sensors, sir.
Okay, perfect. So you are into this like electronics, Arduino, and
Yes, sir.
as you are using the AI in this, so you are planning to use which controller?
Sir, I will use ESP32 for this, sir.
Okay, perfect. Uh, what is the price of the ESP module? Are you using ESP8266 or ESP32?
ESP32, sir.
Usually, how much does it cost?
Sir, around 600, 700 rupees, sir.
Okay, it's fine. As you are planning to use the AI, so you have heard about MicroPython.
Yes, sir.
So it will be better if you use that one onto the ASP module.
Sir? I
It
didn't
will be,
understand.
I'm saying it will be better if you will be using the MicroPython
Okay, sir. I will use MicroPython itself.
because later on it will be a bit easier to integrate with the AI that you will be using.
Okay, sir.
Usually, like all the like ESP modules and Arduino, they usually use the same IDE.
Okay, sir. For this project, I should use MicroPython.
Yes, you can try MicroPython and then you can use AI in that as well. Okay,
Okay,
and there are also other features as well with ESP, so you can try that and make an app as well where you will get all those details as well.
sir. I have to make an app also for this, like integrating the hardware.
Yes, yes. The like how will a person get those values? It will be on the app, right?
Yes,
Let's
sir.
say it was from all the parameters that it got. Now there are cases like you won't get every particular sensor. Let's say for color there is a color sensor. For pH there is pH. Let's say for thickness as well you will get the sensor. But other parameters that are there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let's say whether there are like a lot of lumps or bubbles. I am not sure whether there is any particular sensor for that. That person will check on its own and then feed it to the AI. Then AI will accordingly respond, right?
Okay, sir.
So that way, If you can use the app as well for the same, it will be good. Not that heavy app or website, just a simple app that can have the simple options like the value of different parameters and
Hmm?
finally the illness. Is it detected or it's not detected?
Okay, sir.
Like
Okay, sir.
that. Okay, so let's go with the last one, Vedika.
Yes, sir. So, sir, should I show you my website or app? Because I think in one of the classes I showed you my app.
Yes. Is it completely like finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. You please share the screen and show me.
Yes, sir. Just yes, sir. This. Just a second, sir. Sir, just a second. I need to open the app.
Sure, sure, no issues. Take your time.
I don't know why it's taking time to load. Just a second. Sir, this is the website. Uh, yes. And these are the languages it is available in.
Mm.
Uh, and I'm just opening the app now. So, sir, which mode should I go with?
Let's start with the senior mode.
So these are the options. And then there's also a deep mode that the child needs to attend once a week. It's like a 10-minute session. This is just a daily check-in, which is just for 2 minutes.
Can you make it bigger?
Uh, I'll
There is a link on the top right corner. Click on that link and paste it in the new tab where it is written republish. No, no, where republish is written on the right top corner. You see, there is that link next to the republish. Click on it. Click on any one of these options.
Sir, there are actually two links for this. One is actually not working, so I have to ask
Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Don't use the credit on this.
Sir, it's just giving. And sir, I can also change the language, and this is the mood journey. So like this was my mood on Friday, and today is Wednesday. So should I show the junior mode?
Yes, please go on. Like in junior mode and senior mode, the question being asked are different.
I mean, junior mode is a little more colorful, bright, while senior mode you can say is should not really seem that immature, and it's a little bit more deep than the junior mode.
But the questions are same.
They're not same; they're similar, sort of. So like the options also, as you can see, are a little different. I mean, except the first three.
Yes.
And then this is the score. And so this is the caregiver dashboard. And yes. Sir, do you want to see the deep mode? It's a 10-minute uh, session.
What is like the main difference between these two? Like the
Deep
one that
mode includes storytelling also related to your mood and ways you can make it better, perhaps. I mean, the questions at first are same, but then it's just that it elaborates a little more. I mean, it tells a story also, and it basically gives suggestions about how you can like improve your mood.
like click on one of them. Let's see.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. This is it.
And the output of this also goes to the same dashboard.
Yes, sir. The output goes to that.
Can you visit the dashboard again?
Yes. So, sir, this time my name was in Hindi though. So this is the um
Okay,
that's it. And then, sir, I can change the language also. So there are 23 international Indian languages and 11 international languages.
okay. That's nice. That's nice. And in senior mode, like there is same thing, but in a different way, right? The one which you clicked was the senior mode before. Hello.
Yes, sir. For the deep mode, are you talking about?
Yes, exactly, exactly.
For the deep mode, I clicked on junior, and for the daily check-ins, I clicked on both junior and senior.
The deep mode that is there for the deep mode, both junior and senior, they have the same story setup or the different one.
They are different, sort of. I mean, the senior mode should never really seem very kiddish, so it is designed in a very slightly different way. The questions are also a little more mature. Yes.
And you have showcased it like after, as you have just made it complete now, so you showcase it somewhere, or
Um, showcased it is I showcased it in a competition.
you have, right?
Yes, I have for multiple.
As you just mentioned previously that you will go for the patent of this particular idea. So did you search for the software patents?
Please, sir, could you please repeat?
You mentioned previously that you will go for the patent of this idea.
Yes, sir.
So you have like decided or checked something on that?
Uh, no, sir, not yet. I actually want to come and discuss it in IIT. With the professors. I was wondering if I could get some help.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. That's fine. Obviously, they will be just providing additional info. I believe that IIT Kanpur has a separate wing for that, so they can help you to patent it as well. You can stop sharing.
Okay, sir, that's really good.
Okay, so for everyone now, this is what basically you can do with the AI. So this was like there will be more sessions obviously, and in those sessions we will work on some of the coding stuff, like what exactly API is, how that works. We will check that as well, how these all basic technology works, and how exactly the models that are there, the tools that we are using, how exactly those tools work, what is the backstory of that. We will have a look to that as well. Yes, but
Query.
yes,
Sir, when we come to IIT, we'll have to make a project ourselves, or the professors will assign us which project we have to make. We have to choose ourselves or not.
you have to choose what? Can you please say it again?
Sir, do we have to choose our projects that we want to make on our own, or the IIT professors will choose them for us?
No, no, this is what they will be doing. They will help you in. What you have done, they will help you on that. They won't give anything from their side. That is what this session will be guiding you on.
They will guide us, but they'll not choose for us.
You already have not chosen the project. You're already working on the project, right?
Yes, sir.
That is what you have to showcase in the IIT. Okay, so you can make a document. Just make a simple document of your idea, and that is fine. Document will be fine. Yes, Kavya.
Sir, I had a small query that, like, on the presentations or on the documents, whatever we have made, will the questions be asked from their side or will it just be like a guiding thing?
Like they will be guiding you as well, like on what you have exactly. Okay, also maybe the other professors having maybe more than 30 years of experience. So they will be guiding you on all that stuff. Let's say they find the potential of an idea that has the capability to go into the business. They will definitely help you in that. Or let's say an idea has like the chance to go into the patent. So they will just guide you. They will help you in all that respective manner, how to do the patent and all that.
Sir, one more thing. Like, I have made the URL website, so how should I like make it in an app?
There you have made the like which tool you have used.
Sorry, sir.
Which tool you have used for the.
Sir, for the website thing, like I have used Lovable only.
Now you want to create a separate app as well.
Yes, sir. Like the app also, if I can make, I like want to try.
You can use Replit for that if you want to make an app.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. You will get enough time to showcase your idea, time that you need to explain everything to them. You will get that time. You have 2 days over there. So, and one more thing, like, as like we have like 2 days, I believe the session will be there. So, what you are showcasing to IIT, just keep it separate. But apart from that as well, try to be more of an innovators solving a specific problem. And now we just saw that we just need to think of a problem. This is the only part that we need to do. And rest, whatever tools are there in the market, they help us to develop that. Whether I want to make app, I want to make a website, I want to create a document, whatever there is. I don't need to spend much time on these things now. Okay, all I need to do is to think of a specific problem. So you can think like that. And just it's a fact that uh, recently I just heard a news that AI has created a rocket part, uh, and it successfully just made it in such a way that the fuel and other material use will be much, much minimized than what is currently done in right now. So AI is like doing like advancement in that stuff as well. So like there are different fields. Although you are in seventh or eighth grade, But there are variety of fields that you can think of where you can find a specific problem, and then you can think how we can solve that. One of the I feel this is one of the problem. Like usually whenever we start to clean our house, the fans that are there, it's easy to clean the fans from the bottom side rather than the from top side. It's a bit difficult, and I think it's like uh, a problem that can be solved. And now you have to think how we can solve it. What ways I can use to clean the fan properly. Usually we have seen they, they are dusty, right? It's a bit difficult to clean the fan. We need to bring a tool or other maybe a chair, step on that, and then use any cloth, or if I have any other way, I need to use that to clean the fan, which is kind of hectic. So if there is a way that you can think of, the simple and easy way, where the top side of the fan, which is always facing towards the ceiling, how we can solve, how we can clean it. It's a small problem that I noticed, but similarly there are a lot of problems that you can think of in different fields, whether it is a transportation, whether maybe it is regarding the rockets that go into the space.
Sir, I think that idea is present in NIF website, like foldable fans that we can clean.
There are obviously there are
I have seen from the NIF website.
sorry,
NIF website, National Innovation Foundation.
yes, I have seen that. If there is a bulb at the very top, how I can remove it or how I can clean it. There are solutions on that, but how I can make it more of automatic thing rather than me doing this. I've seen that rod kind of logic being applied over there, where a student has tried to clean the fan, but more like an automatic way that can help me to clean the fans rather I doing this stuff. So something like this, or maybe like the curtains that we have. I believe it is also over there, this idea that to if I want to wash a curtain, I have to remove it, okay, and then when it is all done, I have to reinstall it. So how we can make it automatic? The curtain stuff. Nowadays we do have different curtains. Like I need to pull the wire down, and the curtain will accordingly be pulled. But still, the normal curtains that are in our houses, how better we can try to uh, use the technology to solve the to help in the easiness to remove the curtains and install them back for the cleaning, something like this. So there are obviously a lot of problems that people have not thought of yet, that you can as your child, so maybe you can have those problems which maybe some others can't think of. Or if I take my example, what you can think of, it's not possible I will be having the same thing. You can come up with a problem uh, that is way better than what I can think. So you can just take time apart from what you are doing in IITs. Okay, it's if you can showcase some more ideas, that will be better as well. Okay, not only even after the session is concluded as well. If you get more interest in this or to innovations, you can also work on different ideas. You just have to think of a problem. You have to think the way how you can solve it. You can use any AI tool to develop everything afterwards. Okay. So we will just conclude the session over here. But anyone having any questions, please stay in the meeting. And those who don't have any questions, they can leave, and we will meet in next class. Arva, am I audible? Vyansh Kumar, you can you please keep think of an idea that we can work. If you got any idea, we can work on that in next session.